masks, DIY masks. Look at that construction foam. He looks like what's his name from Nightmare on Elm Street? Is that what it's called? I forgot how the movie's called. Not Jack the Ripper. What was his name? Freddy Krueger. That was his name. Comes into your nightmares. All right. What's he doing? Just some expansion foam, and he's carving the expansion foam. Putting silicone in it. Don't tell me that's Venom. It actually looks like Venom. That is so cool. Good stuff, sir. Just don't get it on the mask. It's silicone. I guess it's just a dummy. And he's using it as a template. That looks so cool. Polymer clay. Mixing it up in a meat grinder. Okay, got a little tube. What was the point of that? To get those teeth things. Oh. This guy is a proper craftsman. I'll give you that. Hats off, good sir. Is that wax? That is wax for the eyes. Oh my gosh. That looks so cool. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised. That must take a lot of work as well. How can you see? Oh, you see through the mouth. That was cool. That was really awesome. Wait, is he carrying on? That's the tongue. Is he using ham? Is that ham? Don't tell me that's ham. Is that luncheon meat? That would be disgusting if that's luncheon meat. All right, let's go that it's polymer clay, right? It's just the shade of a tongue of meat. Food coloring. Oh, that looks rank. Wow. I mean, it looks kind of funny, but he did a good job. He did a good job. Can't see anything in that, though. But it is creepy, I'll give you that. It is super creepy. Venom. Very cool. Wow. Good old Venom. Okay, we get the point. Let's go to the next one. You're really milking it, mate. Come on. Chop, chop. Oh my gosh, that must be like the fifth shot of it. We get the point. We get the point. And he's Spider-Man underneath. What is happening, Peter Parker? Look at that. Plastic Batman mask. And some powder. I guess it's talcum powder, baby powder. What's he gonna do? We got a wooden frame, wet sand. What kind of wet sand is that? It looks super dry to me. Is that like kinetic sand? Okay, he's really packing in the sand, getting rid of the excess, putting another board in it, and he's taking away the... Oh, he made a mold. He made a sandy mold. Okay. Vacuuming the excess sand. More powder. But why? Why is he putting so much powder in there? Another form of mold on top. More wet sand. What is happening? And he's packing that in as well, obviously. Alright, I don't understand. How is he going to access the mold? And he's closing it in. What is happening? It's a side mold. Wow. That is actually super cool. Why is he drilling? Why are you drilling through your hole? You're spoiling your mold, good sir. What are you doing? All that work? Oh, he's gonna pour metal inside, tin. So he melted some tin. That is super cool. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I can't believe that worked. Wow, look at that access of tin in the top. I guess he's just gonna cut that off. Those are the 3 holes that he made. That is so cool. Oh, I kind of want that. I want this mask. This would be like awesome on my shelf of collectibles. Wow. Look how easy tin is just like molded because it's so soft. So that's a new project for you from all your cans that you have laying around. Look at that. Although cans are aluminium, aren't they? Look at that though. It's so cool. I mean, I doubt you can wear it, but definitely like a little statuette for your interior geekiness. Oh, what are they doing to her face? Body silicone. Oh, that's my worst nightmare. What about her eyebrows? How is she gonna get that off? Oh, poor girl. Plaster bandage. They're plastering her face. All right, at least they left the little nose holes. Oh gosh, that looks scary. Now they're cutting it off. Oh, scissor, danger close. You gotta be careful with that. This is done by professionals, so don't try this at home. Okay, she took it off. She's got her green mask. Finally, she can breathe. Okay. He's making a mold of her face and a big screw in it. That's so cool. Oh. All right, that's super cool. That is actually super cool. Look how smooth it is as well. And she's using it to make a bespoke custom mask. That's professional, like honestly. That looks like Dark Souls or Dark Side, or what was that game called? I forgot. Oh no, it's a cat. Oh. Okay. It's a creepy cat though. That's some modeling talent. Honestly, oh, it's like a little skull. It's a little cat skull. That's super cool. But she's getting all over the face. Why would you do that? Gosh. She's plastering that as well. What is happening? I'm so confused now. I thought it was already done. Oh, she created it from clay and now she's making it into an actual cast mold. Okay, I'm following. Take it off, and then I guess you can pour some stuff in there now. Liquid plastic. I guess that's like epoxy resin. Alright, give it a bit of a mix. Let it set. Oh no, it's liquid plastic. It's not epoxy. Well, how do the eyes turn? Oh, the eyes. Ah, I get it. That is super cool. Whoa. The dedication that goes into this. That's very impressive. Now she's gonna paint it, I guess. Or she's gonna leave it. She is painting it. I wouldn't have gone with black though, per se. But I guess that would do. Oh, little gold tint in there. Okay. Nice. Okay. Gold teeth. That's kind of cool. All right. Wow. She did a good job. That's a lot of work for a Halloween or whatever dressed up costume. A lot of work. But at least it's like a bespoke mask literally for her face. Wow. There we go. That's better. I prefer it white. It actually looks like a skull. That's cool. I would like darken the nose a bit. All right, what's this? The same stuff. They're putting plaster on her again, but this time her face is... Oh, no, it's not. I spoke too soon. Okay. They left the mouth. It looks like the man in the iron mask. Okay, what are they doing? They're painting the plaster. Don't tell me that's just gonna be like that. Okay. They're doing weird paint on it. Whoa! Okay. Ethnic mask. I don't know what to say about that. Oof. Okay. Nose holes to breathe. Whoa, look at that. He's using a cup for the eyes. That's actually kind of funny. That looks like a plague doctor mask. Okay. Paper mache with some newspaper. Alright. Kind of sweet. Oof. For the eyes. Some netting. And gold leaf. Alright. I guess that works. Not bad. Okay. Bit tacky. I would have gone with a better finish. I guess, I mean, compared to the first mask, this is like not as good. Wow, give us more reactions, masks.